Hi everyone, it's Cal, Graphic 45 brand ambassador here to show you my latest project, which is a tag using the absolutely gorgeous Graphic 45 Come One, Come All. Now here's my tag. It's actually a shaker tag, believe it or not, but you can only kind of see it in that one little corner, so I don't know what I was thinking there. I just got a bit overexcited with this gorgeous paper, but I'm going to tell you how I've put it together. So I've used a Graphic 45 tag. I used the 8x8 papers and of course my Graphic 45 inks. I've cut out, using my Graphic 45 tag dies, some papers, and I've used some clear foam to make myself a little shaker pocket. So you can see there's quite a lot of shakering going on there, and then I've just cut out a frame from one of my tag pieces that you can see I've inked all the way around the outside, put that on the top so that it covers it nicely. Lots of fussy cutting next. There's so many gorgeous images in this paper line, and then I've just layered up because that's what I like to do. So I've used some of this gorgeous Harlequin paper. I've used some of the flowers, which I've fussy cut and then just added up. The carousel, of course, or actually it's the ring, isn't it? Image there with the lovely dancing lady, who I'm guessing is actually a high wire lady. A few more flowers. I've layered these up using bits of chipboard because I'm not always too keen on using foam, so that I get really dimensional layers here. I've cut out a lot of the words and I've used some of my lovely Graphic 45 ribbons just to tie it off at the end. So here is my finished version. You can't see a lot of the shaker, but I'm cool with that.